In this video, we will how to get pee out of car seat. DIY tips and tricks. So let's start now. When you have to travel frequently with your infant or beloved pet, you will often come across pee in car seat-like accidents. So you must be handy at how to get pee out of car seat, right? The cleaning should be done as soon as possible to avoid lingering the ammonia stench in a car-like confined place. Read below to know some useful ingredients and methods to get the urine smell out of car seat. How to get pee out of car seats. Quick and general tip. How to get pee out of car seat. To quickly get pee out of car seats, you have to take a tablespoon of white vinegar and mix it with a tablespoon of liquid soap and water. Add the mixture to a spray bottle. Spray the mixture on the peed surface, scrub with a piece of cloth and wipe with a damp cloth to get off the foam scum. How to clean urine from car seat. Urine from car seat. The ease in how to clean urine from car seats depends upon the fabric of the baby car seat. However, generally, it involves blotting out urine followed by cleaning and drying the car seat. Things required. Cleaning agents and materials will vary depending upon the fabric/cloth or leather seats that can vary among the best car seat brands. For cloth car seats, white vinegar, dishwash soap, cloths, gloves, bowl/bucket, absorbent paper/towel. Water. Steps in how to get pee out of car seat. For cloth car seats, how to get pee out of car seat involves just 5 steps that you can do on your own. Step number 1. Get prepared. First preparatory steps involve wearing gloves as the vinegar is acidic and can cause itching and damage to skin tissues. Second thing is to open the car doors to let the smell get out of the car seat. Step number 2. Prepare the cleaning mixture. To prepare the cleaning mixture, you have to mix the white vinegar, 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters, and liquid dishwash, 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters, in 2 cups of cold water. Step number 3, blotting out the urine stain. Take a piece of cloth, dip it in the cleaning mixture, and gently dab the stained area. Note, do it gently and don't soak the cloth into the cleaning mix as it will soak the car seat more. Start dabbing from the edges of the stain and bring it to the center to help prevent the stain from spreading. Step number 4, dry the car seat. Take the dry piece of cloth and keep cleaning and dabbing over the stained area until it becomes invisible. Note, if the stain doesn't disappear even after multiple applications of the cleaning agents and drying, apply a few drops of 3% hydrogen peroxide or ammonia and repeat steps number 3 and 4. Step number 5, air dry the car seat. Although the car seat has been dried still, air drying of the car seat will take off all the urine smell. For leather car seats, deep cleaner, specific for leather cleaning, enzyme-based cleaner. Gloves, sponge/pad, bowl/bucket, absorbent paper/towel. Water.